Forest Cleanup Team, protecting nature and helping others. In a vast forest, there was a kind girl named Maya. Maya loves nature very much and wants to keep it safe. One day, he saw a lot of trash in the forest. Seeing animals and plants injured made him sad. Maya decides to form a group called the Forest Cleanup Team to help. The team consists of Maya's friends and other people who care about nature. They wear gloves, carry trash bags, and are very enthusiastic about cleaning the forest. They want to make it beautiful again. On their first cleanup day, they did a great job. The team worked hard picking up trash and making sure the forest was safe. Maya's friends were amazed at how much they were able to do. They felt happy when they saw all the trash bags they had filled. More people joined the forest cleanup team after hearing about their work. Families, students, and companies all want to help protect forests. They become a strong community that cares about nature. During one of the cleanup days, Maya saw animals struggling because of the trash. The birds are trapped, and small animals get sick from eating garbage. Maya wanted to help them too. She knew they needed a voice. Maya and her team decided to do more. They talked to animal organizations and learn about the animals in the forest. They build homes for birds, build shelters, and create feeding areas. They want to help the animals live better. As time goes by, the forest becomes healthy and full of life again. Maya and her team protect the environment and become friends with the animals. People saw the work of the forest cleanup team. They praised them for their hard work. Maya and her friends are invited to schools and events to share their stories and inspire others.